Well, this would be fun. I think our winch works. Got the trailer hooked up to my truck, going to pick up our new car for Knuckle Busters. So a little bit of a drive through traffic, but pretty excited to pick up our new project. All right, Quinn. Say bye to your baby.
Yeah, I was talking to her this weekend. Nah, I'm gonna miss her, but I'm glad it's going to you guys.
Yeah, we'll put it to good use.
You guys look like you do some fun stuff with cars, so.
We try to.
Yeah.
So this is going to be an insane project and something I've not taken on yet, but we're going to figure it out.
Yeah.
And what better candidate? I'm glad you were local.
Yeah.
It's the reason why we chose this car is because look at the strut tower. And that diesel's so wide, this is the only place it'll fit. But this is all gonna.
Can you touch tower to tower?
Yes. It's a short choke.
Oh, yeah. No, it's not short choke.
It's wide though.
Yeah.
Because like, this would be where most normal cars are.
Yeah.
So those are way out. This will probably have to be eliminated. A lot is gonna have to be eliminated. Who knows?
I guess you guys don't find a lot of stick shifts out in LA, right?
Nope.
Yeah,
Nope. You're a rarity, man.
Yeah.
You ready to push stuff?
Yeah, I'm ready to push. To it.
My first drive. Doesn't run at all, right?
No, with the battery, a new battery will though.
Let me give you a little push.
No, it'll go.
Okay.
Just gotta get past that truck.
Yep.
Already smashed something good.
Trailer rules. You know how low that is?
Yeah. No ramps necessary.
Left a bit. Straight. Right a bit. Straight. Okay. My God.
Bang!
Oh. Things sound like a